guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, CC, with Intellectual Glam. In today's video I will be doing an unboxing with Paparazzi. Now if you guys don't know who Paparazzi is, it is a company that sells $5 jewelry, from necklace, earrings, bracelets, anything you want they have. So I got my package today. I also want to say this video is not sponsored and I'm not affiliated with Paparazzi. I just happened to order some products. So if you want to see what I got, please stay tuned. I just actually opened the box so you can see. I haven't opened it yet. Wow, it's very pretty. It comes in this nice packaging. I ordered a lot of pieces. So let's get started to see what I have. Looks like a bracelet. A bracelet right here, guys. It's silver. Wow, this is really nice. I like this necklace right here. I really like this. Can I put this on now? I don't know, can I? Really like that. So I have these earrings I got. I don't know if you guys can see them. They're like little diamonds all over them. I really like these. Those earrings to go with this necklace. It's really long, so let me lift it up. I don't know if you can see, but it's similar. It's similar to the earrings, so I'm really excited about this. I really like that. I have some more earrings right here. Super excited. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I really like these. These are really cute. They are silver and black. Really like this. Cute. I have another pair of earrings. There are, ooh, I like this color. These are so nice, pretty. Like these. I like it. Now this is nice. Ooh, I really like this. I haven't seen anything like this. And guys, all this stuff is $5. I mean, you can't beat that. For some good quality jewelry, you can't beat $5. Oh my gosh, look at these. Really nice. I really like those. And I think I have one more thing. I promise I'm almost done. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's another bracelet and it has like little feathers on it. It's really nice. Oh my gosh, so guys, everything I got I really love. And like I said, all the jewelry is $5. And I definitely leave a description below of where I got my jewelry from. You definitely want to go get some. This is great for gifts. I mean, you have Valentine's Day coming up. It's great to give away to friends, family, anybody. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.